Pasensya na kayo, nakakap ako kasi bawal daw makita ng ulo ko yung sky. Dito kami sa garden. Pinaparawan ni Dwayne si Zion. I think na-vlog ko na dito yung garden, no? Yung rooftop garden. Rooftop. Kasi naka-side siya, pero ano lang, 3rd floor lang. So, yeah. Sasan lang namin siya ng saglit. Wala yung ibon, oh. Ano? Sunbathing.
No sun.
Little bit of sun.
The sky there blue and nice. Here no clouds. And it's a full cover, you know.
Hello! Dito na kami sa house. Walang araw. Makulimlimers. And nandito na si little boy. Tulog. Borlogers.
Morning! Oh, sorry for the scruffy hair. It's a bit long already. And we haven't vlogged for quite a few days. Well, anyway, I'm with the little one here. We are at the garden at our place, trying to get in some sun to sun him a little. But the sun has disappeared. It's cloudy again. George. Okay, so we got a very light bit of sun. Yeah, very light only. It's still covered a little by the clouds, but at least it's not so harsh on the boy. So alright, I just sun him for a little while, then heading back for breakfast. Alright, so we are back home. The little boy was fighting a little because he was hungry already. Yeah. Then able to get a bit of sun onto him. The sun came out at last after like I think 10 minutes of waiting. Yep, so lucky thing, sun him for also about 10 minutes. So alright, now we'll wait for him to finish his milk, then we'll go for breakfast.
Hello! Nag-vlog na daw si Twin kanina. So, yun. Now is, ayun, pinapaliguan ni Auntie si, ang dry nung dito sa site ko, ang tawag doon, parang may sugat, both side. Talagang pinapaliguan ni Auntie si Zion, and now we're having our breakfast. Dipon with so many things. May meat siya, may liver, may egg, my fish. Is that a fish?
Yeah, fish.
Yeah. Then usually my marinade steak. And then meron pang red bean bun si Baba. Yeah, kain tayo.
Let's eat.
Hello! Bagong hiko. And I don't know if you can see there. Nililinisan ni Auntie si Zion kasi nagpupu. Pupu explosion.
Not that much lah.
Not that much.
Yeah, just a little bit.
So, kain na kami for lunch. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi nanood kami din ng Suits. We're catching up with the episodes, and yeah, ito pala yung lunch namin.
Sugar.
Yeah, so as usual, rice, dami na naman. Then black fungus with chicken,
Tomato
with egg, and soup. Soup is what? Carrot, corn.
Then this, I don't know what they call it also.
It's quite nice.
Some
Like taru,
like
and meat. So
this root that day that was saying what root, I can't remember.
what?
That day we were saying that name of the root.
How come your nose so red? Your
I'm having a pimple here.
reindeer.
Because Christmas is around the corner.
You're transforming. Oh my goodness, you're so puffy already. You need to cut hair. So, yun. Kain tayo. Hello. It's raining. And we're now on the way to Plaza Sing, right?
Yeah.
Ayan si baby. Si baby daddy. Then si baby andun sa likod.
So,
Ay, hindi makita. Doon siya katabi si auntie. Hindi namin siya inano dito sa car seat kasi gusto siyang buhatin ni CL niya. So, yun. Nahiya ako magsalita kasi nandito si auntie. Kung siya ito. Ay, kasi auntie si
Daddy thinks that we are psychotic.
Kaya lang.
Talking to a phone.
So, see you na lang there. Ay, pupunta kami doon para lang we're going to Spotlight. Spotlight, is it?
Yeah, Spotlight.
Spotlight para bumili nung what you call this thing, accessory for Zion's first month. Ayan, ready na yung Christmas decoration sa orchard. I don't know if you can see. Can you wipe?
Wipe.
Thank you. There. Maganda sana pag gabi.
We come when it's night. Then nicer to see.
It's up na. It's raining pero hindi mo mag-amak ko. We're now here at Spotlight. So, tumitingin kami ng mga materials. Oh, they have baskets here.
But this is not the type of basket.
This one a bit too deep. Lahat ng mga craft and everything is here. And Spotlight. Christmas tree. White. Santa. Si auntie, hawak niya si Zion. Ayaw niyang pabuhat kay Dwayne. Kinukuha niya agad. And si Dwayne, punta kami ng Daiso. Kasi wala kami mahanap dito. Pero babalik kami dyan for ang tawag doon, tela. There is my boy, halfly asleep.
Half? Seriously?
Because he just drank milk.
A bit stoned.
Stonish really. So there.
Just like had half a bottle of whiskey.
Hello, Zion. Say hi. And then this
What's up?
So he's now on his pajama. The pajama he's wearing is a bit big for him.
Hero.
Daddy and Mommy's little star. Kasi gustong isuot to no. Auntie prefer to let him wear this one because they say the material not so thick. Because Zion always feel very hot one. So, yeah. Ay!
He's looking.
Look at the camera and yeah. Na daw ni din tong package I ordered. So, let's binalik ko agad sa plastic kasi the size is too big. It's like for his 1 year old already. So, balik natin. We will buy new one. Okay? Actually, to Santa suit. Santa Claus for Christmas sana. Pero, wale. Hi!
Hey, relax, bro. Relax, bro.
Be. Hi!
Right, so we have been home for a while. Then what is that? I'm at the Prime Supermarket. Yep. I just ordered our dinner. Auntie said they need to cook today. but it's a bit late already. Now like 7. So I ordered fried rice and bee hoon. So that will be our dinner. Then tomorrow morning I have to head to the market to get our necessities, the groceries there, to last for the next 3 days. Today is Monday, so I have till tomorrow is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday night after dinner. Then we'll be sending Auntie to her daughter's place. Alright.